Hi students, today we'll do some more questions on elapsed time. Let's see first what is elapsed time. See children, any work you do has a starting time and an ending time. The duration between this starting time and ending time is called elapsed time. We are writing it here as ET. For example, your classes start at 11:05 am and they end at 12:20 am. So this duration is called elapsed time. How much time is it in between? The time is 1 hour and 15 minutes. So this 1 hour and 15 minutes is your elapsed time. Similarly, if you go to play in the park daily in the evening at 5 p.m. and you come back at 6 p.m. So here your elapsed time is 1 hour. The duration of your stay in the park is 1 hour. That means the time between the starting time and ending time is 1 hour. So the elapsed time is how much? 1 hour. Let's have one more example. Suppose you go for shopping. So when you leave your house, it's 4 p.m. and you come back home at 8 p.m. So this time of 3 hours is the elapsed time. Alright, now let's do some questions. So we have a question here. We have to find the elapsed time from 7:50 am to 2:50 pm. So the first step is we will draw a timeline here. Before children, you must have done number line. So in number line, what do? We draw a line and write the numbers. So similarly, it is a timeline that we have drawn a line and written the time. So first we start the writing time. This is 7:50 am. After 7:50 am, we write the complete time, round off time, which is closest to 7:50 am. 7:50 am के बाद जो सबसे closest round of time आता है हम वो लिखेंगे. By round of time I mean complete figures time. For example, let's say if it's 6:40, so 6:40 के सबसे nearest round of time क्या होगा? वो 7 o'clock होगा. Alright. इसी तरीके से अगर 7:26 है तो राउंड ऑफ टाइम क्या होगा? 8 o'clock होगा. Alright, by round of time I mean this. All the complete figure time जिसमें सिर्फ 9 है, 10 है, there are no minutes. There are no minutes and complete hours when the minute hand is on 12. जब minute hand 12 पे होता है और यहाँ पे minutes नहीं है तो वो round of time कहलाता है. Alright, so we will move back to our question that first we will write the starting time. We have written here. After writing the starting time, what will we do? We will write the nearest complete round of time. So it is 8 am. Alright. अब complete round of time के बाद हम एक घंटे के गैप पे कैलकुलेट करेंगे. फिर 1 hour के बाद क्या आता है? 9 am. Alright. So here we have till 8 am, 7:50 to 8 am. How many minutes do we have? We have 10 minutes. M is for minutes. Then from 8 am we will calculate till a gap of 1 hour. So 8 am to 9 pm is 1 hour. Then 9 am to 10 am is 1 hour. 10 am to 11 am is again 1 hour. 11 am to 12 am is again 1 hour. 12 noon. Then 12 noon to 1 pm is again 1 hour. 1 pm to 2 pm is again 1 hour. And we have to calculate the time till 2:20 pm. तो 2 pm के बाद हम सीधे 2:20 pm टाइम लेंगे. So 2 pm से 2:20 pm के बीच में कितना टाइम होगा? Obviously 20 minutes. Okay? Just if you get confused, just draw a clock and see that if it is 2 pm, so the minute hand will be here. And on 2:20 pm, the minute hand will be on 4. So how many minutes will be here? 20 minutes. Okay? So now let's calculate the elapsed time. First we will this is 10 minutes. 1 hour, 1 hour. First we will calculate hours. So 1 hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, then 4 hours, then 5 hours, then 6 hours. 6 hours, then we have minutes also. 20 minutes plus 10 minutes gives 30 minutes. So we have 6 hours and 30 minutes. This is the elapsed time. Isn't it very easy? I will just brief it out once again. First we will draw the number line. Then we will write the starting time. After starting time we will write the closest round of time, and then we will calculate at the gap of 1 hour. Time after 1 hour, after 1 hour, after 1 hour. And then we have to reach the ending time. That's it. Now we have the next question. We have to calculate the elapsed time between 8:40 am to 11:20 am. So again, first we will write the starting time. Then we will write the closest round of time. So from 8:40, the closest round of time is 9 am. Children, if you find some problem in calculating the minutes, you can simply draw a rough clock, and then you can calculate that on 8:40 the hour hand is on 8, and when on 9 o'clock the hour hand will be, the minute hand will be on 12. So how many minutes have been covered? 5, 5, 5, 5, that is 20 minutes. So if you find some problem in calculation of minutes, just draw a rough clock and calculate. So here I was, from 8:40 to 9 am we have 20 minutes. Okay, so from 9 am then we'll calculate at the gap of 1 hour, it's 10 am we have 1 hour. Then from 10 am to 11 am it's again 1 hour, and the ending time is 11:20 am. So from 11 am to 11:20 am it's straight away 20 minutes. So now let's count it. First we'll count hours, then we'll count minutes. 1 hour plus 1 hour is 2 hours, and then 20 minutes plus 20 minutes is 40 minutes. So the answer is 1 hour 40 minutes, 2 hours 40 minutes. So we have next question, 10:52 am to 1:57 pm. Again, first we will write the starting time, then we will write the closest round of time, it's 11 am. Okay, so it's simple that from 10:52 am 11 to 11 am 8 minutes have been covered. Okay, then from 11 am till a gap of 1 hour 12 noon it's 1 hour. Then from 12 noon again we'll write the time at a gap of 1 hour, that is 12 noon के 1 घंटे के बाद 1 pm आता है, ये 1 hour हुआ. फिर 1 pm के बाद हमें ending time लिखना है, that is 57 minutes. 1 pm to 1:57 directly 57 minutes हुआ, because जब 1 pm होता है तो घड़ी की सुई कहाँ रहती है? घड़ी की सुई 12 पे रहती है, एंड जब 57 मिनट्स होगा तो घड़ी की सुई 57 पे यहाँ पे कहीं रहेगी, 57th मिनट पे. सो ऑब्वियसली 57 मिनट्स हैव बीन कवर्ड. सो अगेन वी कैलकुलेट 2 hours and 8 minutes plus 57 minutes. Let's calculate 57 minutes plus 8 minutes. So this will give us 65 minutes, and we know that we cannot have, in the minutes category, we cannot have any number greater than 59, because as soon as it crosses 59 and reaches 60, it again becomes one complete hour. So this 65 minutes is 60 plus 5 minutes, that is ये 60 minutes 1 hour में convert हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे चला जाएगा. All right, so 1 hour will get added, that is we will have 3 hours and remaining 5 minutes. So the answer is 3 hours and 5 minutes. Now we have to find the elapsed time from 6:30 pm to 12 midnight. So 6:30 pm again we will write the starting time, which is 6:30 pm. Then the closest nearest round of time from 6:30 pm is 7 pm. So from 6:30 pm 7 pm it's 30 minutes. Then we will write time at the gap of 1 hour. 7 p.m. to 8 it's 1 hour, 8 to 9 again 1 hour, 9 to 10 again 1 hour, 10 to 11 again 1 hour, and 11 to 12 midnight is 1 hour. There is a T here which is not visible after H in the spelling of midnight. So now we will calculate 30 minutes plus 1 hour plus 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. So how much is it? It is 1 hour plus 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour. It's and 30 minutes here. So the answer is 5 hours and 30 minutes. We have one more question. 11:10 p.m. to 1:40 a.m. So again 11:10 is the starting time. 11:10 p.m. we have written here. PM is रात का वक्त. So 11:10 p.m. के बाद हम रात के 12 बजे 12 midnight we will the closest round of time is 12 midnight. So this is 50 minutes. Then after 12 midnight at a gap of 1 hour is 1 a.m. 1 hour, and then after 1 hour we'll write the ending time 40 minutes. Okay, so we have 1 hour here. So it's 1 hour, then we'll add the minutes, 40 minutes and 50 minutes. How much will we get? 90 minutes. But again we know we cannot have in the minutes area, 60 minutes become 1 hour. So we cannot have any number greater than 59. So we will subtract 60 minutes and those 60 minutes will come here and become 1 hour. And then we are left with 30 minutes. So the answer is 2 hours here and 30 minutes here. So the answer is 2 hours and 30 minutes. We have one more question which says we have to find the time between 11:27 a.m. to 6:20 p.m. Again we will draw a timeline and we will write the starting time. So we'll write the starting time which is 11 a.m. Then after 11 a.m. the closest round figure time is 12 noon. So from 11 a.m. to 12 noon how much time is it? It's 33 minutes. How did I calculate? Because after 11:27 comes 11:30. I had just distributed it further. And then after 11:30 comes 12 noon. So 11:30 to 12 noon is 30 minutes and 11:27 to 30 is 33 minutes. So total 33 minutes. You can distribute the time into small intervals so it will be more easier. Then from 12 noon to 1 p.m. it's 1 hour. 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. it's 1 hour. 2 to 3 it's 1 more hour. 3 to 4 is 1 more hour. 4 to 5 is 1 more hour. 5 to 6 is 1 more hour. And 6 to 6:20 is clearly 20 minutes. Okay, so how much is the time? Let's calculate the hours first. So it is 1 plus 1 2 3 here 4 5 6 hours and 20 minutes plus 33 minutes. 20 minutes plus 33 minutes we will get 53 minutes. So the answer is 6 hours and 53 minutes. That's it.